Yo guys, I'm back home. I decided to take a nature walk, so I'm just looking around. So it's bushy. This is known as Sia County in Kenya. You see, everywhere, full of bushy. I don't know why. So I decided to take a walk inside here. Just, yeah, man. You need to walk and you explore, man. So I decided to explore. So that's the view. See, yeah. So that's the view. This is the end now. I can't go beyond because that's so dangerous, man. I, I, I'm alone. I'm alone. Yeah, I'm alone. You see? You see? I'm alone, niggas. I'm alone. So I can't do something like I get inside there. Something hurts me. No, I can't do something like that. So let's take a seat. Yeah. You see? See? That's the small touch, but I can't do something like that. Let's move, man. Let's move. See? Yeah, that's the view. That's the view. Yeah. Yes. Guys, subscribe for more. See you next video. And see, just subscribe.